we are going to see insertion at the end in a doubly linked list. So the algorithm is given. So before that algorithm, so just I am taking one example. So in this example, what is it? The head node is connected to the set of nodes which is connected together. So we already know that what is it? First node is connected to second node is connected to third node. So third node reversely it is connected to second node reversely connected to the first node. So because of doubly linked list. So what we are going to do means we are going to insert one node at the last. So insertion at the end. So we are going to see. So let me see through the algorithm. Step 1, if pointer equal to null, write overflow, go to step 11. So we already known that with the previous cases. Suppose I want to insert one node, I have to take the node from the free list. So I am checking the free list here. If free list pointer is null means there is no free node available. So automatically we are not able to take any node from that. So that's why it is a overflow condition. Go to step 11. It is exit. We are unable to do this operation now. Suppose the pointer is not null means it comes to second step. Second step is set new node equal to pointer. So we are taking one new node from the pointer and I am mentioning that node, it is called new node. New node equal to pointer, set pointer equal to pointer next. In a free list, we are taking one node, so automatically hereafter second node is going to be a first node. So that's why we are moving the pointer from pointer next. So as we know, these three executions, actually these two executions are, what is it? We are taking the node from the free list. Okay, exactly from step 4 only, actual execution of this insertion at the end it starts. Step 4, set new node data equal to value. So already the values are 15, 17, 25. Maybe the value is 30. I am going to add. Just you imagine that. So set new node value equal to new node data equal to value. So I am entering the value. Then step 5, set new node next equal to null. We are taking new node. We are taking the new node next column. We make the next column null. Why? We already know that we are going to insert this node as a end node. So automatically whenever the end node is there, there is no succeeding nodes. So that's why we are making new node next equal to null in the 5th step. 6th step, set temp equal to head. So we take this as a temp. So temp equal to head. Head means we are taking the memory pointer of this particular node from the head. So it is temp. Then repeat step 8 while temp next not equal to null. What we are doing means at each and every time we are checking that temp next, this is temp, and temp next not equal to null. We are checking that whether temp next not equal to null. What is temp next? Temp next not equal to null because it is having node. So that's why the condition it satisfies. Not equal to null means set temp equal to temp next. What is that? We are moving temp variable from here to here. Is the one here? So this is what this executing. After executing this, end of loop until this condition fails, we have to do the 8th step again and again. Again we come to the 7th step, repeat step 8 while temp next not equal to null. What is temp next? Temp next is having some value, having some node. So that's why it satisfies the condition. So that's why we are executing step 8. What is step 8? Temp equal to temp next. So that's why temp next it goes to the next node. Okay. Now once again we come to the 7th step. Repeat step 8 while temp next not equal to null. What is the condition here? Temp next is null here. It is not. We are checking that whether it not null, it is null. So that's why it violates the condition. So that's why it comes out of the loop. So directly the control comes to step 9. What is step 9? Set temp next equal to new node. What is temp here? Temp. So we are taking temp next equal to new node. So that's why we are erasing the null value. We are connecting temp next equal to new node. Okay, temp next equal to new node. Step 10, set new node previous equal to temp. What is temp here? Here it is temp here. So new node previous is equal to temp. Is the point here? So under these two steps, what we do means we make a forward connection as well as backward connection. What is it? Next, previous. So this is what we mean. Then we exit the process because our process is over. So after seeing this, from header 1, 2, 3, already 3 nodes are there. Now we are connecting one more node with proper connection like this. Forward link as well as backward link which is connected.